Before moving ahead, it's time to have a captain interview. Who should we call first? We'll call the skipper of Bhojpuri Dabangs first. Manoj sir, where are you? Manoj Tiwari ji, the captain of Bhojpuri Dabangs. मनोज सर हार्ड लक लेकिन जिस तरीके से आपने कहा था ये वन बिग फैमिली है, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस माध्यम से अपने टीम को भी?
नहीं नहीं, ये तो जो हुआ ठीक है, बट वी आर नॉट हैप्पी विद एम्पायरिंग. वेरी सॉरी टू से, एम्पायरिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज अगेंस्ट अस एंड इट शुड बी केयर. इसको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. वी आर वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. जो भी हुआ हार जीत तो कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन दो दो डिसीजन हम लोगों के खिलाफ जाना हम लोगों को दुखी कर गया.
Hard luck today. All the best for the next season then. The captain who came second, Manoj Tiwari ji. It's time now to speak to the winning skipper, Kicha Sudeep of Karnataka Bulldozers. Kicha sir, yet another game where you were tested. There were moments where the opposition was ahead, but you believed in your boys and they delivered.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ I'll start off with Bhojpuri team. Thanks for a wonderful match. Manoj ji, thank you wonderful for the wonderful match. I don't know what are the decisions he's talking about, but I guess it's a part of the game. Decisions keep happening and we should also remember the good decisions that goes in our favor. That's the spirit of the game. And I do not know what less to speak about my team. What a wonderful team I have. What wonderful boys, the spirit. And also, I guess I want to really thank Vishnu, Induri and the entire CCL for giving us such wonderful moments and matches. I really thank you, Vishnu, because without you, I don't think we'll all come together. We'll all have this kind of wonderful moments in our lives. We are only about movies, stresses, but you give us those moments, my brother. Thank you and love you for that. And definitely, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, it was a wonderful game. I guess everybody played their bit, and I guess it's very equally important how we keep our calm. It's a roller coaster. Game keeps slipping out, we keep pulling it back. We keep slipping out, we keep pulling it back, and finally we hold on to it and we win.
Just kind of the scripts that we have for your movies as well. You keep us entertained and excited till the last moment. We don't know what's going to happen. Tell me a little bit about bowling, because here bowling is key. The ground's not that big, you know.
It's very important that you stick on to a certain plan and keep bowling with discipline. See, there will be shots here and there. Even for a good balls can go for a 6, but that doesn't mean you lose your calm and focus. We need to keep telling ourselves that we are okay. We'll get back.
Terrific captaincy and great commentary as well, because we keep listening to you from the stump mic. Really well done. Thanks for being a co-commentator too, and all the best for what lies ahead.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋರಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಲವ್ ಯು.
The winning skipper, Kicha Sudeep of Karnataka Bulldozers. It's time to give away silverware. The entertainer of the match is the first award we got. We introduced that in CCL 12, and be prepared for one of the most iconic moments in the history of CCL. I request Sanvi to give the entertainer of the match award to Kicha Sudeep. A moment to cherish, a moment to be etched in our memory for a long, long time. It's Sanvi handing over that award to one and only Kicha Sudeep. That's a frame that'll be hung on the wall for sure. Go for it. Thank you so much, sir. I thought you were going to give us another wonderful dialogue as well. The best batter is what we have next. I request Mr. Neeraj Gupta to give this one away. The best batter. It was difficult to finalize and zero in on somebody for the best batter, but it has to go to Darling Krishna for that magnificent half century up top. Darling Krishna, you are the best batter. You'll collect the award from Mr. Neeraj Gupta. Really well done, Darling Krishna, opening the batting today. Our next award is the Best Bowler Award. I request Miss Lakshmi to give this award away. The Best Bowler Award with a magnificent ball on top goes to Aditya Ojha. You were terrific, Aditya. It's a small ground. The hitters are big. Your opposition had people with biceps of at least 23, 24, 25 clash. You could play WWE cards with that. Can we have somebody else collect on behalf of Aditya Oja? Please. Tiger would do so. Thank you so much, Tiger. Aditya Oja, our best bowler. Not easy in this format. Now the Player of the Match award in this all-important game. I request Ms. Surbhi Tiwari to give away this award to Rajiv for a flamboyant 62. Rajiv Hanu once again delivers and once again will make a Triple H kind entry. Rajiv Hanu, well done. 62 in very quick time, dealing in sixes and fours. That's Rajiv Hanu for you. The Player of the Match, Rajiv Hanu. Thank you so much to the entire presentation party for joining me. That's all we got for you from the post-match presentation. Back to you, Wincoms.
आइए एक बार नजर डालते हैं पॉइंट्स टेबल के ऊपर। अब कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स नंबर 1 पर 1.30 नेट रन रेट है, तो नंबर 1 और नंबर 2 पे बंगाल टाइगर 6 पॉइंट उनके भी हैं। केरला स्ट्राइकर्स भी क्वालिफाई कर गई है 4 पॉइंट से। पंजाब द शेर, तेलुगु वॉरियर्स, भोजपुरी दबंग्स और चेन्नई किंग्स, और ये अगर मैच जीती हैं तो अभी इनके भी रेस में बने हुए हैं, पर बहुत ज्यादा उम्मीद जो है वो है पंजाब के शेरों पर। वेस्ट चेन्नई किंग्स वर्सेस मुंबई हीरोज का मैच, और अभी बहुत जल्दी ये मैच खेला जाएगा। तब तक के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए। ब्रेक लेते हैं, ब्रेक के बाद जल्द मिलते हैं आपसे।